Hello guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube dark theme not working. So, let's begin. First, try to access your mobile device or on your PC and see if it's working. But if not, then what you need to do, for example, if you're on your mobile device, you actually need to go to your Play Store or simply update YouTube. People miss this a lot, but this will actually fix most issues, not just the dark theme portion. So look into that and see if it says update. So if the option is there, click on that, wait for it to finish, and then restart your device. Then it should fix your problem. But if not, do this, and then you can just proceed on clearing the cache on your phone's storage. Click on YouTube, clear cache, then restart the application, and boom, it should now be good to go. And that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.